Beautiful shot. Here he comes. Let's go get him. Very nice Woody. Let's bag him up. Beautiful shot. Go get him. Very nice cockbird. Let's get him in the bag for the pot. Beautiful shot. Another beautiful shot. Let's go get him. Well, there's number 1 rabbit. Let's pick him up. Ooh. Go find number 2 rabbit. There he is. Lovely taking rabbit. That's 2 to wheel out and bag up. Psst. Beautiful shot. Go get him. Hello, horsey. What do you want? Where did you come from? Come on out, away. Little bugger. Very nice rabbit. Just weigh him out and bag him up. Beautiful shot. Very nice bunny. Just weigh him out and bag him up. I can see you, little bugger. Beautiful shot. On down he goes. Let's go get him. Very nice shot indeed. Indeed. Beautiful shot. Let's go and get him. Another one. Beautiful shot. Oh, let's go get him. Very nicely taken pigeon. Yeah, very nice. I'll get you out of that hole, you little shit. He comes. Come on, drop. Here he goes. Let's go get him. Nicely. Oh, drop you little bugger. Can't even see you, stuck on the branch. Yeah, this will have to climb up and get him. With a nice headshot. Very nice squirrel. It's getting weed out and bagged up. I don't want a bad morning out. Let's get home and get these ready for the freezer. Hope you enjoyed the footage. See you again soon. Dave Rat saying ta-da for now.